Have you ever wondered why diabetes is often referred to as a silent killer? It's because this global epidemic often tiptoes into our lives, subtly altering our health and lifestyle, while we remain oblivious. It's a condition affecting millions worldwide, yet it's shrouded in mystery and misconceptions. A complex disease, diabetes demands a deeper understanding to recognize its presence and combat its effects. In the next few minutes, you will uncover the layers of this complex disease. Get ready to demystify diabetes. Recognizing the symptoms of diabetes is the first step towards managing it. Diabetes has a few common signs that may seem ordinary, but are worth paying attention to. Frequent urination is one of the initial symptoms. Your body tries to get rid of the excess glucose in your blood by flushing it out through urine, which can lead to this symptom. Unexplained weight loss is another sign. Despite eating more than usual to satiate the constant hunger, you may find that you're still losing weight. This happens because without enough insulin, your body's cells can't access the glucose in your blood. Constant thirst is also a symptom. The frequent urination can lead to you feeling dehydrated, hence the persistent thirst. Lastly, fatigue. With your body unable to properly use glucose for energy, you may feel tired and worn out. If these symptoms are present, it's important to seek medical advice. Remember, early detection is key. These symptoms may seem ordinary, but they might be signs of a potentially serious condition. What causes diabetes, you may ask? Well, it's a multifaceted answer. The root causes of diabetes can be traced back to a combination of genetic and lifestyle factors. In the case of type 1 diabetes, the body's immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. This is largely attributed to genetic factors, but environmental triggers may also play a role. On the other hand, type 2 diabetes is often linked to lifestyle factors such as poor diet and lack of physical activity. Over time, these can lead to insulin resistance, where your body doesn't use insulin properly. Certain health conditions like obesity and metabolic syndrome also increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It's important to note that while some causes, like our genetic makeup, are beyond our control, many others can be managed with lifestyle changes. Regular physical activity, a balanced diet, and maintaining a healthy weight can go a long way in managing and even preventing diabetes. While some causes are beyond our control, others can be managed with lifestyle changes. Did you know there are different types of diabetes? Let's delve into the three main types: type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune condition where the body's immune system attacks and destroys the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. This type usually develops in childhood or adolescence, but it can occur at any age. Type 2 diabetes, the most common form, develops when the body becomes resistant to insulin or when the pancreas fails to produce enough insulin. It's often associated with lifestyle factors like poor diet and lack of exercise, but genetics also plays a role. Lastly, gestational diabetes occurs during pregnancy when hormones interfere with the body's ability to use insulin. While it usually resolves after childbirth, it does increase the mother and child's risk of developing type 2 diabetes later in life. Each type of diabetes has its unique characteristics, but they all require careful management. Can the food you eat help manage diabetes? The answer is an emphatic yes. Diet plays a crucial role in managing diabetes, and certain power foods can help control your blood sugar levels. Let's start with whole grains. Foods like brown rice, oatmeal, and quinoa are excellent sources of fiber and can slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood glucose levels. Next, lean proteins. Think chicken, turkey, and fish. These foods help you feel full longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating and maintaining a healthy weight, which is beneficial for diabetes management. Lastly, let's not forget about green leafy vegetables. Spinach, kale, and broccoli are low in calories and carbohydrates, making them good for blood sugar control. Plus, they're packed with valuable nutrients like vitamin A, C, and K. Incorporating these power foods into your diet can make a significant difference in managing diabetes. So, let's make some smart choices and nourish our bodies the right way. Let's cap up what we've discussed about diabetes. We've delved into the symptoms, such as frequent urination and unexplained weight loss. We've explored the causes, including genetics and lifestyle factors. We've understood the types of diabetes, type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. And finally, we've highlighted power foods like whole grains and lean proteins that can help manage the condition. Remember, early detection and proper management are key to living a healthy life with diabetes.